The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, northwestern Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Burke County in western North Carolina, until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:13 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles north of Shelby, or over Fallston, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Lincolnton, Cherville, Bessemer City, Bellwood, Lawndale, Fallston, Polkville, Waco, Kaiser, and Boger City. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Burke, Cleveland, Gaston, and Lincoln. Severe thunderstorm